Welcome to DLM Campervans, the home of the Mini-T. Today I'm highlighting a blue Ford Transit Connect with our Mini-T conversion. This has an awning, solar, over-the-air antenna, 10-speed reversible fan, hitch, 2,000-pound towing capacity, shore power plug, but it is off-grid capable with the dual house batteries, 2,000-watt inverter. Those dual batteries are being charged by the sun if you're plugged in and as you're driving. The vehicle itself has heated leather seats, navigation, and mid-vehicle overhead storage. It's vinyl flooring, couch that folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, underbed storage which includes a stove, an additional tote, and also a foldable portable toilet, a microwave, sink, fresh water and gray water, thermostatically controlled refrigerator. Windows in the back are limo tinted for privacy. It also comes with a curtain and sunshades and magnetic screens for 2 of the 4 windows that go down. Check out the full details on our website, dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!